Hello, good morning. I'm Anand from Jagmohan. We are one of the largest blow molding machine manufacturer in India. Welcome to our stall. Right now we are exhibiting injection blow molding machines. We are the indigenous manufacturer for injection blow molding machine in India. This machine capacity is JIBM 40 ton. In this machine you can make products from 5 ml to 500 ml. Here you can see it's an injection unit from where we are injecting material to get the preformed form. This is hot runner mold. Here preform getting formed. Then this comes to this station where we are inhaling compressed air to form the shape. And that station is for bottle injection. Through the conveyor, bottle are going to the collecting bin. Thanks for visiting our stall. Hope to see you in next Plastasia. Thank you.